Okay, now we're going to take a look at the Nan Hua Primary School paper, SA1 2019, for Primary 4 Mathematics. So I'll be going through some of the questions with you, questions that you have gotten it wrong in the past. Then the objective is to see whether you could remember how to do the question. So, okay, this part here, question 5. Can you try question 5?
Okay.
Okay, what's your answer?
Number 2.
No, not number 2. Okay, the answer what do you think is the answer?
Number 1.
No, no guessing. Okay, I'm going to explain to you one more time. Okay, you see, there are 3 squares down here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, see the 3 squares?
Yes.
Okay. Each square is made up of 4 triangles. Okay. So there are number of triangles, right? Total number of triangles is 4 times 3, 12 triangles. So out of 12 triangles, how many are shaded?
12.
Out of 12 triangles, how many are shaded?
10 over 12.
10 over 12. So you reduce to lowest form, it's 5 over 6. So the answer is number 3. Oh, you clear?
Yes.
That's the reason why it's number 3. Okay. Then this one, what mixed number does the following represent?
Number 2.
Correct. Very good. Answer is number 2. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, number 9. What is the quotient when 5609 is divided by 8? So number 9. What is the quotient?
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay, we'll see. Okay, let's do together. Let's verify together. Is it number 3? 5609 divided by 8. 36 divided by 8 is 7. Okay, then bring down the 0. 7, 0. Answer is number 4. Answer is number 4. Oh, you know why it's number 4, right?
Yes.
Because the 0 divided by 8 is 0. Then I bring down the 9. 9 divided by 8 is 1. 701. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on. Okay, express 2 3/4 as an improper fraction.
Um, 11/4.
Very good. Okay, let's move on. Okay. Find the value of 5/9 minus half.
One over 18.
Very good. You got it. Okay, you try 16.
16. Number 1.
No. Was left in the flask.
Mm, 1 over 8.
Correct. You know how to get the answer?
Yes.
Can you tell me how you get the answer?
Use 3 over 8 plus 1 over 2.
Then after that,
After that, the answer minus 2 liters.
okay, actually it's 2 liters. 2 liters minus half liters minus 3 over 8 liters. That's how you get 1 and 1 over 8 liters. Oh, this part you know how to minus off to get this, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me scroll down.
Can I go and take my eraser?
Okay, can.
Okay.
Okay, you try number 18.
Um, mm,
What's the answer for number 1 for 18?
Number 4.
No, not number 4. How much more blueberries did Sharon need to buy? You see, she had 8 kilograms. 3/5 kilogram rotten, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 8 times how many is 40?
8. 8 times 5.
So this numerator should be
35.
very good. Then here, 5 times how many is 40?
5. 24.
Here should be 24. So this one, what's the fraction here?
1 5. 1 4.
The fraction here is 11 over 40. 35 minus 24 is 11. But 11 over 40 is not the answer, because she needed half kg to make blueberry pie. Half a kg, right, is how many over 40?
80 over 40.
You think carefully. Half is how many over 40?
20 over 40.
20 over 40. She needed 20 over 40 kg to make blueberry pie. And right now, at the moment, right, 8
Yeah.
kg, right? Originally, she had 8 kg. 3/5 kg were rotten throw away, right? So this is what is left. This is what's left. Then she need this amount to make blueberry pie. How many more blueberries did Sharon need to buy? What must you do?
Minus.
Which one minus which one? You tell me.
20 over 40 minus 1 over 2.
No.
11 over 40.
Yes. You have? What you have here?
9 over 40.
Yes, 9 over 40. That's why answer is 1. You understand, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay. Number 19. Can you tell me what is the fraction that are girls?
Fraction that are girls.
3
over 7 minus 42.
Wrong. Try again.
3 over 7 minus 1 over 42.
No. You think carefully. 1 whole means what?
42 over 42.
Yeah, 1 whole is the whole class. But I'm interested in a fraction that are girls. What must you do?
3 over 7 minus 42 over 42.
No, no, no. 3 over 7 are boys. I have 1 whole. Let's say I divide into 7 parts. 3 over 7 are boys. Okay, these are the boys. So left with how many? What is the fraction that are girls?
3 over 7.
No. Fraction that are girls.
2 over 7.
No. You think carefully. I have one whole represent the whole class. I minus away the fraction that are boys. Go to how many? What is one whole? One whole is?
1 whole is 42 over 42.
Another way of expressing one whole is?
Um, um, 1 3 over 4, 3 over 7.
3 over 7 is the boys. Another way to express one whole is 7 over 7. You know why 7 over 7?
No.
Because the denominator here is 7. I want to create a fraction where the denominator is 7. So instead of using 42 over 42, I use 7 over 7. Understand?
Yes.
So what is a fraction that occurs?
The fraction that occurs are 7 over 7 minus 3 over 7 equals 4 over 7. That
Yeah.
are 4 over 7.
So these are fractions that are girls, right? But the
Yeah.
question is asking how many girls are there? What must you do?
Um. Um.
What
4
must you
over
do?
7. 4 over 7 minus 40
No,
minus 42.
no. You think carefully. One whole is 42 students. I want 4/7 of it. Oh,
Okay.
I want this part. What must you do? I want this
7
part.
over 7 minus 3 over 7.
Yeah, you got 4 over 7. But I want 4 over 7, this part. How much it represent? What must you do?
Um, um, uh, uh,
What must you do?
4 over 7 divided by 4 divided by 7.
No. 4 over 7 multiply by 42. You get the answer already. You know why multiply?
No.
Because 4/7 of the class are girls. The whole class is 42.
Um,
Whenever you see of the class, 4/7 of something is always multiplying.
oh,
This one, what you have? The answer here?
answer is 24.
24. Okay, you know how to multiply fraction, but you
Yes.
fail to interpret information with regards to fraction. So this is something you need to brush up on.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
we move on to the next one.
Can I go to the toilet?
Okay, hurry up.
Okay. Okay, I'm back.
Okay, good. So you try question 22.
22.
Hmm. You can see the words here on the screen, no?
Yes.
Can no? Is it too small? Is the words too small for you?
No.
No, okay.
2.80.
Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, you try common factors of 24 and 54.
What does it mean?
You know what are factors, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you list down the factors of 24. Then after that, you list down all the factors of 54. Then you tell me
And-
which one are the common factors.
Okay.
Done?
No, I only finished the 24.
Okay, you list out the factors of 54. So can you tell me the factors of 54?
I haven't write down the 54 one yet.
No, you tell me now the factors of 54.
2.
You always start from 1.
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3.
6, 7,
No, not 7.
8,
No, not 8. You ask yourself 6 times what give you 54?
or 9.
Then what times 3 give you 54? What number times 3 give you 54?
4.
No, 18. Okay, what number times 2 give you 54?
Um, 21.
27. Then what number times 1 give you 54?
54.
Yep. So these are all the factors of 54. How about 24? What are the factors of 24?
2, 3, 6.
Start from 1. Start from 1.
1, 2, 3, 6.
1, 2, 3, 6. Then you show a 1 here.
7.
You show a 1 number here.
6.
Between 3 and 6, there's one number here.
Oh, 4.
4. Always list out in ascending order. Then 6. Then after that?
7.
No 7. Then you ask yourself, what number times 3 give you 24? Because 4 times 6 is 24, right? So what number times 3 give you 24?
8.
8, good. Then what number times 2 give you 24?
12.
12. Then the last one is?
24.
24. Do you know why I insist on asking you to list out your factors in ascending order? Do you know why?
No.
So that you won't miss out on a factor. Because you list out in ascending order, right? By the time you reach 6, right, you can ask yourself, what number times 3 give you 24? Because 4 times 6 give you 24. Then you can ask yourself, what number times 3 give you 24? Then what number times 2 give you 24? Then you won't miss out on any of the factors really.
Okay.
Can you tell me what are the common factors?
1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 6.
Mm-hmm. Is that all?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, 24. Okay, arrange the following fractions from the smallest to the largest. Okay, you try 24. What's the technique? The technique is to
2 1/3 has 2 more, so that one will be the largest. Then
no, not correct. What's the technique? I taught you the technique before.
times.
You must convert your fractions, improper fractions and mixed number, everything to the same
Denominator.
Correct. Go ahead and convert them. Then you will know how to arrange them really.
Okay.
Okay, what is 17/6?
17/6.
Maybe I should ask you what is the first common multiple of 6, 7, and 3. First common multiple, lowest common multiple of 6, 7, 3.
6.
No, common multiple. 6, 7, 3, common multiple.
3.
No, multiple. Common multiple. Remember just now the question I asked you list out the multiple, right? No, just now was factor. Okay, now it's the multiple.
Um, um,
What is the answer? 673. The first common multiple
6.
is? No, multiple. Do you know what is multiple?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me the multiples of 5?
5, 10,
What else?
15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40.
Correct, oh. But I'm looking for multiples of 6, 7, and 3. The common multiple. So an easy way of common multiple of 6 and 7 would be you use 6 times 7.
6 times 7
6 times 7, right?
equals
Equal to what?
50.
Your
56.
multiplication timetable, I told you 10,000 times to go and memorize. Did you go and memorize?
Yes.
Then how come you can't tell me what is 6 times 7? What is 6 times 7?
80.
No. What is 6 times 7? Can you tell me what is 6 times 7? I won't give you the answer. I will not give you the answer. You have to tell me. 6 times 7 is?
46.
No, but close. 41. 41.
52.
No, not 52.
58.
No, 6 times 7 is how many? 40 what? It's in the 40s. For 40 what?
49.
No, 49 is 7 times 7.
48.
No, 48 is 8 times 6.
And then 46.
No, not 46. Your multiplication timetable, please go and memorize. I told you to memorize how many times?
47.
No, you're guessing. I need to talk to your parents about this. Since the day 1 tuition, I tell you go and memorize your multiplication timetable already. Till today, I haven't memorized. Try 6 times 7.
41.
No. Can you tell me what is 6 times 7? 6 times 7 equal to 40. 40 what? Even you use fingers count, now you should be able to tell me the answer already.
No. 44.
No.
43.
No. You guess almost all the 40 number already, still haven't guessed correctly.
I guess 41, 42, 43, okay. 44.
Do you
I
guess
guess
42?
all the number already.
Just now you said 52.
No, that's not. I said 42. My first answer was 42.
Okay, it's correct, 42. Maybe I hear wrongly. I heard you say 52.
I said 42.
Okay, now my bad. So 6 times 7 is 42.
Okay.
Okay, 6 times 7 is 42. Then because 42, right?
Yeah.
That is the immediately you use 6 times 7, right? You use 42, right? That is the common multiple of 6 and 7 already.
Oh.
Then you have to investigate, is 42 a multiple of 3?
42.
Is 42 a multiple of 3?
Yes.
42 is a multiple of 3. A quick investigation. This is how you do quick investigation. Huh?
Yeah, that's what I did.
That's what you did?
Yeah.
But you never tell me, you're not certain it's 42. You never tell me 42 confidently. The FCM is 42.
Oh.
Okay, FCM is 42. After knowing FCM, that's not the end of the story. That means I can change all my denominator, right, to 42.
And then put the one on top.
And then you find the numerator. Okay, this one mixed number, right? You change to improper fraction first. What's the improper fraction?
Improper fraction is 7/3.
Okay. Then equal to how many over 42?
Equals to 14/42.
Nope. 3 times 14 is 42. So 7 must times how many?
Times 14 also.
Yeah. No, it's 7 times 14.
2.
No, 7 times 14 is not 2. Then you do a quick multiplication. This one is how many? Can you tell me
28.
Then after that, here,
98.
yeah. So this is 98. And this one is?
98/42.
16 over 7 is how many?
16/7 is
How many over 4?
7 times 14.
7 times.
7 times 3.
7 times how many is 42? Just how I give you the answer.
Um,
7 times how many is 42? Remember
7 times 3.
No, just now you said you told me the answer when I asked you for the FCM.
52.
No? 7 times how many is 42? Seven times what give you 42?
56.
No. Remember just now I asked you what's the FCM of 673, right? Then I give you 42.
Yeah.
Then how did I get 42? Remember how
7.
we get
6 times 7.
now you tell me 7 times how many is 42?
7 times 6.
7 times 6, okay. Then here, what must you do to get this number?
16 times 6.
16 times 6. Very good. Then what you have here?
16 times 6 is
No calculator. You have, because this one no calculator is allowed, you have to use your multiplication timetable.
I'm not using calculator.
Yeah, so you have to either use the working way, 16 times 6, like that. Go and work out the answer here. Then you tell me. Oh, 16 times 6 is how many? Or we do together here. 6 times 6 is how many?
48.
No, not 48.
One.
Let's do together. 16 times 6. How you get here? 6 times 6 is?
6 times 6 is
6.
30.
6 times 6 is not 30. 6 times 6 is how many?
42.
No, 6 times 6 is not 42. 6 times 7, then it's 42. 6 times 6 is?
41.
No. Go and memorize your multiplication timetable, please. It's for your own good. You notice how much you are struggling here?
Yes.
I already told you many times, go and memorize your multiplication timetable. From 1 times 1 to 10 times 10, go and memorize them. Example, 6 times 7, you need to tell me immediately is 42. Then 6 times 8 is 8. You have to tell me immediately. Go and memorize them. If you don't memorize, you're at a losing end during exam. You see this question, how much time you spend already? Just on multiplication. So in the exam, you don't have so much time to go and count, you know. You're stuck here for a very long time, you know. Then or either that or you just guess the fraction, then you lose the marks. Because now you know the way to find the correct answer, right? But the way to find the correct answer, you need to be strong in your multiplication timetable in order to carry out the steps.
Yes.
So please do yourself a favor, go and memorize your multiplication timetable. You need it during exams. Simply because you cannot use calculator at this time.
I know.
Yeah, you need it. Even for primary 6, you can use calculator, right? You still need to do simple multiplication at your fingertips. You need that also. What is 16 times 6?
16 times 6 is 40.
Okay, let's do 6 times 6 first. 6 times 6 is how many?
6 times 6 is 2.
6 times 6 is 2. How can 6 times 6 be 2?
6 times
What is 6 times 6?
20.
You have 6 groups. You have 6 groups. Each group, there are 6 crosses. Oh, there are 6 crosses.
30.
Close. How many crosses are there?
3.
How many crosses are there? Each group, there are 6 crosses. You go and add up all the 6, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. You add up, the answer is? The answer is how many?
40.
No. 6 times 6 is how many? I give you the answer. I got no time to wait for so long. Oh,
30.
you know how I get 96?
No.
What is 6 times 6? 6 times 6 is 36. Oh, 6 times 6 is 36. Go and memorize your multiplication timetable. If you don't memorize, you are at the losing end. Because in exam, right, you don't have time to draw out 6 circles. In exam, you think you got time to do this? In exam, do you think you got time to do this?
No.
You see how long I took just to draw this thing? After drawing, right? Okay, you have to count number of crosses. What if you count wrongly? Oh, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. That's how you get 36. You notice how much time I spent just to get 36?
Yes.
No? So easiest way, go and memorize your multiplication timetable. You can write out immediately. No need to do the counting. In fact, in exam, you don't have so much time to count. I draw out is to explain to you why is it 36. In exam, please don't count. Please don't draw out and count. In exam, you need to tell yourself it's 36 immediately because you memorize your multiplication timetable. Okay. The only thing that you need to memorize in maths is your multiplication timetable. They will say formula need to memorize. For me, I minimize my memorization. I don't like to memorize things. So the only thing I memorize in maths is multiplication timetable. Other than that, the formula I try to understand how it's derived. Like area is length times breadth. That one I did not memorize is length times breadth. I use understanding to internalize the concept.
Oh.
So do yourself a favor. Please go and memorize your multiplication timetable. Can promise me that?
Yes.
Can next week I'm going to test you your multiplication timetable.
From 1 to 10.
I test you by doing the questions here. That's how I know.
Okay.
6 times 6 is 36. So 1 times 6 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. That's how you get 96. Okay?
Okay.
How about this? How about this one? How did I end up at 42? 6 times
3. 6 times 7.
6 times 7. So 17 times how many?
7.
17 times 7. Okay, 17 times 7, same thing. We're going to do again. So this one you tell me, 7 times 7 is how many?
46.
No.
7.
What is 7 times 7? Okay, your multiplication timetable again. 7 times 7 is how many? And you struggle again because you can't tell me what's your 7 times 7. What's your 7 times 7?
49.
49, finally. It took you so long to tell me it's 49. Okay, then this one.
11.
Very good. So here is 119. Okay, now you tell me which one is the largest.
Largest is
Okay, smallest. The one smallest first.
smallest is 17/6.
Smallest is 7. Nope. Here's 119. Smallest.
Smallest is 16/7.
16/7. Second
And
is
1/3.
yes. Then the third one, the largest is
119. 17/6.
yes. How come now you can confidently tell me? It's because
Do multiplication table.
it's because now you have did in terms of common denominator. Can you see the denominator is now common?
Yes.
Because you need to compare apple to apple. That means the denominator must all be the same in order to compare which one is the smallest. Then you can tell this is the smallest because 96 is smaller than these two numbers.
Okay.
You understand? Understand? No?
Yes. Yes.
So the way to do this question is not see which one, is not see the number here. You have to you can only compare after you convert it to the same denominator.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Understand? We move on now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, try 25.
Um, 73.
25 answer is
73.
nope. Multiple of 7, right?
Yes.
You
I don't know.
list out the multiples between 50 and 70. Okay, multiples of 7.
Multiples of 7, 7. As 5.
Not 5, 50 what?
57.
57, nope. 56.
56.
Because 7 times 8 is 56. And what other number are there?
70.
That's why I've been telling you to go and memorize your multiplication timetable. If you have memorized, now you can tell me very fast what are the multiples of 7. I thought 56 as well.
62.
No, 63. How's the next one? What is the next multiple of 7?
70. 70.
Yes. Okay. Between 50 and 70, right? So these are all the multiples of 7. So one of these three number, right? They are referring to one of these three number. Okay. So because it said a number is a multiple of 7, so all these are multiple of 7. One of its factors is 3. Okay, which one has a factor of 3? Does 56 has? Yes. Okay, only 63 is a factor of 3. So what is the number?
63.
63. So you understand now the question?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on to the next part. Okay, 26. You try this question. I give you 1 minute to do this question now, 26. Then see, you can tell me the answer.
Okay.
Just 1 minute to do.
Three times 0.
No?
Oh.
Draw model. You draw your model.
Six five zero.
No.
Huh? But it is 280 plus 90. Then it then equals 350. Then 350 plus 280.
No. Not 280 plus 90. Yeah. Who has more? David or Peter?
Peter.
David, this amount of numbers, he refer to who? What does he
David.
refer? David had 90 more than Peter. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
So 280 minus 90 is 190. Oh. Okay. That's how I get 190 here.
Okay.
Okay, now you tell me how much do they have altogether? You tell me the method to do.
280 plus 190.
280 plus 190. Very good. Which one? What's the answer?
And the answer is 390.
No. What is 8 plus 9?
17.
Okay, now you tell me. This is how many?
44. 470.
Yes, 470 is the answer. Oh, got it?
Yes.
Got it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, this one, 27. What must you do with this question?
168.
No, answer is not 168. You have to draw model, before and after model. You have to draw before. Okay, see the model I'm drawing here.
Yes.
Yeah. Mrs. Lee, 326, more than Mrs. Wong. Then Mrs. Wong gave Mrs. Lee another 158. So this is a 158 he gave to Mrs. Lee, right?
Yeah.
So this is my 158, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then he gave away. Okay. Can you see my model?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
how many more she has?
She has
How many more?
she has
What must you do?
158 plus 326
That's all?
plus 158.
Yes. Add everything together. What's answer?
One,
That's why you must draw model.
9, 621.
No. Add, you know how to add, right?
Yes.
8 plus 6 plus 8 is how many?
22.
22. So you write 22 here.
Oh, I forget to add.
Uh,
I forget to add
plus-
1.
2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 is how many?
14.
14. 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 is how many?
6.
Oh. Answer is how many?
642.
Yeah, answer is 640. Oh, understand, no?
Okay.
Answer is 640. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. I remember this question you couldn't do. You try 29 and tell me the right answer.
So is so shopping mall.
No. Show face where?
Shopping mall.
No.
Wait, is there something at the bottom?
No. This is X. Samantha is standing here, facing
Oh,
southeast.
then northwest.
Northwest is what? You tell me where should be facing?
Northwest. Stadium lah.
No.
Huh?
No. Where is she facing now? Southeast is where?
Southeast is cinema.
Southeast.
Shopping mall.
No. Southeast.
Swimming
Samantha
pool.
is standing here.
Swimming pool.
No. Southeast is museum.
Oh.
Yeah, the campus is here. What? Southeast is this direction. What?
Then school lah.
Yes, answer is school. Okay?
Okay.
135 degrees anti-clockwise, so she'll face school eventually. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, 32.
Okay.
Try 32.
Alright. This so eight. 1, 2, 3, 1536.
No. What's answer for 32? No, not 1536.
1536.
No. You see, every day James saved $2, right?
Yeah. Which is $8 altogether.
Nope.
Huh?
Oh, James saves $2 every day.
Yeah.
Sister saves $4 more than him.
Yeah, it means the sister also got saved $2, but $4 more than him.
So which is how many?
$8.
Huh?
$8
Huh?
for both.
Okay, okay, okay. I know what you mean. So both are
Yeah.
okay. Both are $8 every day.
Okay.
How many more days would they refer to both of them take to save this amount? How many days?
192 times 8
No.
divided by 8.
Yes. You know why divide?
Because it's finding total.
Because every day he saved this amount. So 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Don't know how many days. Combined together is 192. So to find how many days, you divide by 8.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
So divide by 8, what's the answer?
Divide by 8 equals divide by
You know how to do this?
yes. And
Okay,
dividing now.
let's do together. 19 divided by 8 is how many?
16.
19
Put 2
divided by
on top and then 16.
19 divided by 8 is 2, not 16. Then here must I
Yeah,
write?
put 16 below ma.
Yeah, correct. Then here must I write?
And then you put the 19 minus 16 equals
Equal how many?
3.
Okay.
And then you put 3 below, then you bring down the 2.
Good.
Then 8 times what equals 32.
8 times what is 32? What must I write here?
32 divided by 8.
How many? Multiplication timetable again. No? That's why I ask you memorize. Now you struggle.
16.
Oh, now you know why I asked you to memorize.
Yes.
If you memorize now, you can tell me confidently the number here.
3.
No.
3.
What number times 8?
4.
Yes. You struggle a bit. So how many days?
24.
Your problem is your multiplication timetable. One of your main hurdles. Yeah, one of your main hurdles is your multiplication timetable. Okay.
Okay.
This question 35. What fraction of the figure is shaded? You tell me one square here is how many triangle?
2 triangles.
2 triangle.
I mean 4 triangles. Yeah, 2 triangles.
2 triangle. Let me draw my triangle nicely.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Let me see how to draw.
4 1 over 4 1 4 1.
Okay, now the strategy is you go and count the number of triangles you have.
There are 8.
Okay, let's count together. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 16.
16.
Yeah. Because got 8 squares, then times 2, then equals how
Yes.
many triangles?
How many triangles are shaded?
2.
So what is the fraction that's shaded?
2 over 2 over 16.
But the question is asking for
Simplest form.
Is 2 over 16 the simplest form?
No.
So what is the simplest form? Your multiplication timetable again.
The simplest form.
You know how to get your simplest form? Simplest form. You know how to get your simplest form?
Oh, times 8.
Times 8? No.
Times 2. Divided by 2.
Divide by 2. Very good.
Then it is equals 1 over 8.
Yes. Finally, you got it now. 1 over 8. Very good. So 1 over 8. Boleh, this one.
Yes.
Okay, this one boleh. I move on already. Boleh means can in Malay, by the way.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this one. I'll skip this one. This one. 37. What must you do?
20 cm times 20 times 20.
Equal?
20 times 20 equals to 40.
Equal to 400.
Oh.
You know why 400?
Yeah, because they're asking for cm.
Nope, because of 2 times 2 is 4. How many zero are there? There are 2 zeros.
2. Okay.
That's how you get 400.
I understand.
Oh. So each tile is 400.
Yes.
How many tiles are there?
Each tile is, if each tile is 400, then the tiles is 400 times 20.
Number of tiles is 12. Number of tiles. There are 12 tiles.
Oh, 12 tiles. Then 400 times 12.
Yes. 400 times 12. So what's the area? Well, what's this number here? What's 400 times 12?
16.
What is 4 times 12?
16 times 32. 40. Is it 40?
Area. No. Are you looking at the screen?
Yes.
I did show my answer on the screen already.
Oh, okay.
But you know why?
Yes.
You know how I get this?
Yes.
How I get this?
You do the working.
My working here tell me 12 times 4 is 48. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. So 48.
Then you add the 2 zeros behind.
Yes. Yes. Oh?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. 39. Remember this question, right?
Yes.
We try again.
Um,
What is the length of rod C?
no.
So you need to draw something called
Model.
yes. Then you just draw lor. You see rod. You see how I draw. Rod A 3 times as long as rod B. Oh. rod B 2 times as long as rod C. Oh, that's how you draw.
Okay.
Can you see? Then if you
Yes.
are particular about accuracy, this is what you can do. Touch up the model a bit. Can you see?
Yes.
Then here I can divide the 2 again. To get all is 1 unit. You see now?
Yes.
Then altogether, how many units? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 units. Then total length is 540.
Yes.
1 unit is how many?
1 unit is 540 divided by 9
Equal to
equals to 7.
equal to 60. Because 54 divided by 9 is 6. Then you add the 0 behind.
Okay.
Oh. So 1
Okay.
unit is 60, right? So what's the length of rod C? What's the length of rod C? Can you tell me?
Rod C.
Answer is very obvious.
1 unit lah.
Which is how many cm?
60 cm.
60 cm. Okay.
Okay.
You have to reattempt all these questions.
Okay.
Seriously, because you have problem. You have some problem retaining information.
What does retaining mean?
Retaining information means, right, after a teacher teach you, you'll forget. Because I went through this with you before. Now I'm trying to see how much information you manage to retain after I go through with you.
Okay.
Because 99% of my students, right, when I go through a paper second time, right, they could do the question on. Then for your case, you still struggle to do the question. That means you have to really brush up a lot on your number 1 multiplication timetable. Number 2, when I teach that time, right, you have to ponder.
What does condo mean?
Ponder means to think. You have to think about why is the answer like that.
Okay.
Because if you don't think, it's very hard to absorb the concepts that you're learning.
Okay.
42.
42.
You try 42 first.
Okay.
I want switch.
13.
I want switch.
13. Twenty. 13 over 20.
42 is 13 over 20. Well done. I am
But
so proud.
I never put in simplest form because it's already in simplest form.
You are right. Well done. I'm so proud of you. You got this right without my help, my student. Annabelle. Okay, 43.
43.
See, this one you can get it right without my help. If can, that means very good lah. You master it. You master the technique to solve the question.
3 times as much. Oh. 1,000 milliliters.
How much apple juice did she have at first? equal amount of apple and orange at first. She drank 400 ml. So she drank 400 ml. After she drank 400 ml, what happened? In the end, 3 times as much orange juice as apple juice. Okay. So you need to draw this model here, right? To be 1/3 of the orange juice. Oh, you understand? In the end, she had 3 times as much orange juice as the apple juice. Did she consume any orange juice?
No.
No, right? So orange, you can draw same length. Oh. Then he drank how much apple he drank?
400 ml.
Oh. So from here, you can tell that your 2 unit is 400. 1 unit is 1 unit is how many?
400 divided by 1 equals 200.
400 divided by 2 is 200. So how much apple juice she have at first?
She have 200 ml of apple juice at first.
No, you look at the model carefully. At first, referring to here is how many units?
600 ml.
Very good. 600 ml.
400 plus 2 plus,
Either,
plus 200.
either that or 200 times 3.
Mm.
I'll use 200 times 3. Easier to understand.
Okay.
The right concept is 200 times 3.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
The answer is 600 ml. Clear?
Clear.
In clear, I erase this thing. Okay, 44. We try 44.
Mm.
A and B.
Okay. Um. Mm.
You know what to do?
I think so.
Okay.
For A is 84.
A is 84. No. Mangoes he had left. Donated 48 boxes. 240 boxes. Oh, that's the boxes left.
Okay. I put 336 plus 48.
No. Each box 36 mangoes. There are 48 boxes of mangoes.
Okay.
So 192 times 36.
193.
Because each boxes has 36 mangoes.
Oh.
192 times 36 is how many? Okay. 2 times 6 is 12.
Is 8,
9 times 6 is 54. Plus 1 is 55. 1 times 6 is 6 plus 5, 11. 2 times 3 is 6. 9 times 3 is 27. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2, 57.
Okay.
6, 9, 1, 2. Oh,
Okay.
that's how you get 6, 9, 1, 2.
Okay.
So mangoes left, 6, 9, 1, 2. B. 4 women bought all the remaining mangoes. Okay, because they bought equal number of mangoes. So you divide by 4. Okay. You know how to get 1728?
Yes. Divide by 4.
You know how to divide by 4?
Yes.
Huh? This division, you know,
Yeah.
you know that I won't go through already.
Okay.
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 Okay, we move on to the next one already. Font 5. Try 45.
Okay.
Using assumption method. Now you know how to use assumption method, right?
Yes. Some of it, but not fully.
You try 45 using assumption method.
Oh, okay. Oh, 20. Mm.
Okay, the hint is on the board. So you assume all 28 board are purse or t-shirt?
Purse.
Purse, very good. So if all 28 board are purse,
41.
so 28 times 5. 28 times 5 is
65. G 20, 125. Oh, 140.
yeah, you got 140. So total difference in actual spending,
41.
nope,
140.
nope. Total difference in actual spending. He spent 161.
Oh,
So what's the difference?
161 minus 140.
You're reading answer for my screen, so I just give you the answer.
Okay.
But you understand why I need to find this, right?
Yes.
Confirm you understand because I'm going to test you again.
Next week.
Yeah, I sure will test you on and off. Whenever there's
Okay.
time, whenever there's time, I have to test you.
Okay.
Like today, I'm testing you, but you didn't really make it in a test now because a lot of questions you still don't know. So total difference in actual spending, 161 minus 140 is 21. Then what is each difference?
You're using
That's a difference between each t-shirt and each purse. So number of t-shirts. How to find number of t-shirts? Can you tell me how to find number of t-shirts?
Three times.
Don't guess. I want you to use common sense, logic, thinking, and think through what you're doing. Try not to guess. I want you to understand. So total difference in the actual spending is 21. Each difference is 3. So number of shirts will be 21 divided by 3.
21.
Oh, you know why?
Yes.
Sure. Then why couldn't tell
Yes.
me the answer just now?
I thought it was the wrong answer.
It's okay lah. You tell me then it's wrong. At most I just say wrong, then correct you. If you tell me then I say it's correct, it boosts your confidence also.
Okay.
Okay, that's all for today lah.
Okay.
Okay.